The Unseen Shield. Ilara, a seasoned OHS professional, arrived at the new Innovate Tech factory. The building was a marvel of glass and steel, humming with the quiet efficiency of automation. But as she stepped inside, a familiar tingle of unease prickled her skin. She knew that true safety wasn't just about shiny new machines, it was about the unseen risks. Mr. Jensen, the factory manager, met her with a wide smile. He was immensely proud of his new facility. "We've spared no expense on technology, Ilara," he boasted, leading her down a spotless corridor. "Our assembly line is the fastest and most precise in the industry." They stopped to watch a large robotic arm, its movements swift and powerful. The machine was impressive, but Ilara's eyes were drawn to the simple chain barrier that separated the machine from the walkway. She noticed the emergency stop button was a long way off, required to run to reach it. "Mr. Jensen," Ilara said, her voice calm but firm, "what is the protocol if a worker needs to access that area for maintenance or if a part falls into the zone?" He looked at her, a hint of confusion in his eyes. "The machine has a sensor," he replied, "and the chain is a clear warning. No one is supposed to go in there while it's operating. The risk is minimal." He spoke with the confidence of someone who had never seen a minimal risk turn into a maximum disaster. Ilara didn't argue. Instead, she began to explain the hierarchy of controls. "We start with the most effective," she said, holding up one finger. "Elimination. But we can't eliminate the machine, so we move to the next level. Substitution and engineering controls," she continued. "Instead of a simple chain, we can install a fixed physical barrier. And even better, a light curtain. If anyone breaks the beam, the machine stops instantly." Mr. Jensen's skepticism began to fade. "Then we add administrative controls, like new procedures and mandatory training," she explained, holding up a hard hat. "And finally, PPE, or personal protective equipment. It's the last line of defense, not the first." Mr. Jensen nodded slowly, a new understanding dawning on his face. He agreed to implement her suggestions immediately. Just then, they heard a shout. A new worker, carrying a toolbox, had tripped near the robotic arm. The worker's foot crossed the area where the new light curtain was being tested. The machine, as if by magic, froze mid-motion. Mr. Jensen looked at Ilara, his face a mixture of shock and profound gratitude. The unseen shield of her expertise had just prevented a major accident.